Are you looking for the best COSWHEEL T26 electric bike? In this video we will look at some of the best COSWHEEL T26 electric bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, COSWHEEL T26 Electric Bike 26-inch. COSWHEEL is a professional manufacturer of electric bikes. We have complete research and development, manufacturing, and can customize according to customer needs. We have warehouses in Europe, in the United States, and in the United Kingdom. We are committed to providing you with an excellent cycling experience. Whether you are commuting, exploring, urban RV travel, or mountain off-road sports, we welcome wholesale customization. Follow our store, and enjoy the best service and prices. Number 2, Electric Bike Shengmilo MX02SK26. Frame aluminium alloy. Meter multifunctional LCD instrument. Brake front and rear oil disc brakes. Wheel size 26-inch. Tire 26 x 4.0 fat tire. Net weight 26 kilograms. Load capacity 150 kilograms. Height for 175 to 195 centimeters. People. Front fork spring suspension fork. Transmission 7-speed transmission system. Motor 1000 watts brushless motor. Battery 48 volts 17Ah lithium battery. Charging time 57H. Maximum speed 40 km per hour. Number 3, G20 Pro Ebike 1000W 48 volts 25Ah electric bike. Durable frame material constructed with an aluminium alloy frame. The G20 Pro offers a robust and lightweight build. Electric folding mountain bike vertical bar stealth B52 electric bike powerful motor equipped with a 2000W brushless motor. The G20 Pro Ebike delivers a thrilling ride with a max speed of 30 to 50 km per hour. Adjustable speed limit. Customize your ride with the ability to lift the speed limit, enhancing your cycling experience. Long-range battery. The 48 volts 25Ah battery ensures a pure electric range of 40 kilometers, making it ideal for longer journeys. Foldable design. The foldable frame allows for easy storage and transport, perfect for urban commuting and travel. Number 4, COSWHEEL Electric Bike T16 Adult Mountain Ebikes. COSWHEEL is a professional manufacturer of electric bikes. We were established in 2015, focusing on developing high-quality and high-performance electric self-propelled vehicles, having the most experienced and top-notch electric bicycle designers. All models are independently designed and have design expertise. We have a complete research and development, manufacturing, and sales system, providing a large number of orders to customers worldwide and gaining unanimous recognition and favor. Customizable products can be tailored to customer needs. The main goal is to provide excellent cycling experience for riders. Whether you are commuting, exploring, or RV in the city travel or mountain sports. Advocate for a low-carbon lifestyle and create a cleaner and greener. Follow our store, and enjoy the best service and prices. Number 5, Hetso 52 volts 1000 watts 21Ah fat tire Ebike. 26 by 4.8 Kender fat tires. 26 by 4.8 Kender fat tires offer superior traction and shock absorption on rugged terrains. Carbon fiber frame. Durable carbon fiber frame with a 3-year warranty for enhanced stability and load capacity. Suspension system equipped with dual adjustable shock absorbers for a smooth ride over any surface. Trek Ebikes 2022 vertical bar Frey Hunter Ebike Bufang M620 52 volts 1000 watts mid-drive motor. Powerful Bufang M620 motor delivers 1000 watts peak power for swift off-road adventures. LG 52 volts 21Ah removable battery. Long-lasting 52 volts 21Ah LG battery ensures extended rides with pedal assist.